Hi, Khan from affiliates.com, and thanks again for coming back for this video. This is part two of how to build trust quickly in your affiliate marketing business. So if you haven't checked out part one, do please check it out, and I'll have a YouTube description below this video. You can check it out in the YouTube description. You can click on part one. You can check out part one. But let's quickly this is part two, and let's quickly recap what we went through part one, just the key summaries of what we went through part one. So we discussed that to send any kind of product. So one of the most important prerequisites is to build trust with the people that you're aiming to sell your product and service to. It's even more important in the online space where you're building an affiliate marketing business, because everyone's behind a computer and we don't know who's who's real. And so people are skeptical, suspicious. Therefore we need to build trust with them so that they can learn about us and do business with us, right? Okay, so building trust can take time as you grow and develop your business. But what we're going to do is that we went through some things that you can implement in your affiliate marketing business that you can help you build trust fast. Okay, so what we discussed, number one, is having your own domain name. Okay, you need to have your own domain name, which is your unique address on the internet. For example, my website was affiliateship.com. Okay, so you need to have your own domain name, which will definitely help build trust in your audience. Okay, because they will see that you have your own address and you separate yourself from everyone else, and you're unique and you stand out and appear more visible. Okay, number two is having an SSL certificate in your website. Okay, so that's basically a certificate that displays on your browser so that it says that your website is secure. That lock sign that you see on your website address bar, and that's what it is basically. So you must have it's definitely, you should have it's definitely a must. I'd say it's a must, to be honest, have a SSL certificate. Okay, these days. Okay, you need to have SSL certificate. Okay, which you can easily purchase as an add-on from your company that you buy the domain name from. Again, we discussed that in part one. Number three was having your own proper home internet, i.e. your website. Okay, and I'm always talking about that and probably other videos and articles, that you must have your own online presence on your own website online. Okay, if you want to build a sustainable, solid affiliate marketing business, because it helps build credibility. You can provide more value for your website by content. You can grow your search engine exposure, so the Google and Bing and all that, they can index your site and show your website to your audience, and your audience sees those search results in Google, and they build that trust as well. You can build a long-lasting relationship with your website. Your customers can communicate with you through your contact forms. They can really engage with your content, which you can tell them about for your autoresponder. Communicate with them, say, look, I've posted a blog post on my website, check it out, this and that, stuff like that. Okay, full control of your online presence. Okay, so with your own website, you have full control over what you want to publish, and in comparison to if you just rely on social media sites, a profile page in Facebook or whatever, and then suddenly they shut you down, that's it, you've lost all your data. Okay, so with your own website, no one can do that, because it's yours, you own it, and you have full control over it. Okay, so yeah, that's some of the benefits of having your own home, your own website on the internet. Okay, so next point we went through is make sure to have a professional looking website. Okay, you need to have professional looking website and web pages throughout your website and your marketing and everything. Okay, consistency, congruency. Okay, so that people see that you're a professional outfit, you're not just amateur. Okay, these days it's quite easy to get nice professional looking websites and funnels, thanks to two-page builder I personally use, WordPress and ClickFunnels. WordPress is the content management, the blog system that I use here in affiliateship.com, and ClickFunnels is the marketing page, specializing marketing page, and all sorts of funnel stuff you can build with ClickFunnels. Okay, number five was create useful quality content. Okay, one of the biggest benefits that in affiliate marketing is obviously you don't have to stock any products, deal with custom service, shipping and all that stuff. Okay, inconvenient stuff. But there's one thing that you need to do, okay, is to create consistent quality content. Okay, so that you can serve to your audience, help your audience. Okay, and that helps definitely build trust with your audience. Okay, so you need to create content. All right, number six is provide for your full contact details if you can. Okay, your audience will feel good knowing that you have real contact details published, and you don't have to put your personal home address. You can use services like your virtual home office addresses. You can use for a few dollars a month, probably. As I said, in the UK, I use about a few pounds a month. Okay, provide your home number is number seven. Sorry, not home number, sorry, provide your number. Okay, so again, same with the contract address. You can provide, if you can provide a contact number, that's a great trust builder. It shows that you're willing to talk to your customer, you're a real person. They can get over the phone on the phone and chat to you. Okay, to protect your privacy, obviously, if you don't want to give your personal number, you can have a virtual number that you can buy from through apps, phone apps, or even websites. And then, you know, all the calls that you receive through that virtual number, that'll be your business number, and the people will it'll divert to your you know, personal number, but they won't see your personal number. Okay, so that, you know, your personal number will stay protected. All right, and you can switch it on and off as well. You know, say for example, have it on during, you know, 9 to 5 or whatever, and when you switch it off, and that's it. You know, no one's going to call you. Okay, so that's that, having a personal number. Number 8 was create a brand. Okay, brand is really important. It's just super important having a brand. You must have a brand. Okay, everything's all about brand. All the businesses, every business, you know, you must have a brand. Okay, even affiliate marketing business, whatever it is, it doesn't matter what you sell today, tomorrow, people will like remember you as a brand. Okay, and it's a great way to build trust. Okay, because brand, you know, when you build a trust in a way, build a brand in a way that, you know, you know, build your brand with keywords such as, you know, trust, you know, credibility, authentic, and value driven. You know, people will definitely trust you when they see your brand, you know, it's a trusted brand. For example, you know, McDonald's, people trust McDonald's, you know, food, this and that, hygiene, whatever. KFC, you know, they're all trusted brands. Right. Bottom line is, if you want to build a solid, authentic, you know, affiliate marketing business that you want to trust people to trust, you must create your brand. Okay, so yeah, that's the brand. Create a brand. Number 9 is create your logo. Okay, so that's where I think we finished on number 8, and now we're gonna go through from number 9, which is create your logo. We'll slow it down a bit because up until now it was just recap of part 1. But if I said part 1, if you want to check it out, part 1, and I'll go through a bit more detail of what I went through just now or the recap. Okay, so number 9 is create your logo. Okay, creating your logo is also a must-have part of your, you know, brand building, and fundamental to building trust in your you know, affiliate marketing business, because it separates you from your competition and gives your unique identity online, just like your website, just like your domain. Okay, a logo is a crucial component in creating trust. When people get exposed to your website for the first time, they see a nice professional looking logo. You make a great first impression, and that could be the start of the, you know, trust building process. And you can create a free logo using sites like Canva. I've also put some I'll put a blog post article on how to create your free logo. You can check it out. I'll put a link in the YouTube description. You can check it out. Okay, and how to create your one for free. Number 10 is show your genuine personality and good character. So showing your good personality and yourself in content, in your content marketing, wherever possible, can hugely help in building trust. Okay, on the internet space, especially in affiliate marketing, many of the audiences like to know who's behind a certain website or anything that you know, that's being marketed to them, as they like to know, you know, like and trust someone before they will do business with them. And having your own personality and presenting yourself, showing your face, etc., can be a great trust builder. When it comes to personality, everyone's different in their own way, and everyone has their ups and downs in life, you know, and this can impact our character, our personality at times, and that's okay, because we are human after all, right? So having said that, would you agree that, you know, there are certain important good character traits that we all like to have and be in order to become a greater person? You know, traits such as being genuine, polite, kind, generous, honest, ethical, having integrity, being loyal, respecting others, providing value, being authentic, caring for others, and helping people, right? As you can see, these character traits are all about becoming a great human being, which is also important when you need to sell things as an affiliate, right? Because people like to interact and do business with great people, good people. Okay, so let's face it, would you buy from someone who's, you know, arrogant, dishonest, stuck up, pushy salesperson, rude, etc.? Of course not, right? I mean, I personally do. When I go to shops and stores like that, when I see I get bad service, I try to avoid that store, to be honest, right? That's what I do, because at the end of the day, you know, there's no need for, you know, to be rude or, you know, moody or whatever, you know what I mean? Right? Unless, you know, you're having a bad day. But, you know, at the end, you shouldn't take it out to your customers, right? Whatever personal problem you have, you know, you shouldn't take it out on your customer, right? Just, you know, just try and be nice. All right, so I think you get the gist that we just need to be an all-round great person, possessing as many of the good character traits in us, and it will help us, you know, big time in our affiliate marketing business. So we need to strive and become great affiliate marketing, right? We want to do good for the community that we're serving, and, you know, provide great value, recommendations, and all this greatness should be expressed by ourselves, our body language, our communication, our talking, etc., right? So here's some places that you can perhaps show your personality and yourself. Okay, on your website about page, you can show your personality. You can have a picture on your YouTube channel, intro videos, general videos, on your Facebook social media posts, on your affiliate bridge pages, on your review pages. At the top, maybe have a picture of yourself, introduce yourself on your landing pages, but in the right context. Okay, for example, if you're promoting free training on how to, you know, you achieve something, or you could say, how I did this, and you can too. And then you can have your photo somewhere above the fold, so you know they can see, okay, how you did this. That's you, okay, you did this. So you show your picture and say, okay, this is a real person, he did something. Let me see, go through this training, I can do this. Okay, so this may be difficult for some people, as many people don't like to show their faces and be in front of videos and pictures, etc. But if you try and do this, even if you have a photo of yourself in your about page of your website, it would be better than having nothing. Okay, but try and do that. Try and have that confidence to be on camera, show your face, show your video, and just be the real you. Okay. Number 11, social network pages. Having your profile on a few major sites like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube can help in building trust. However, you must build some friends and following, and post some content on a regular basis on the profiles. You can do that at a slow pace, no problem. But have some presence. Okay. Video testimonials, genuine video testimonials can help boost your trust levels in a massive way, because people are willing to take the time to give a nice review about you, about your products, about the way you service them and all that. Okay, the most common types of testimonials are video testimonials, and can work well if you put them on your buy pages of your or your bridge page of your website. As an affiliate, there are a couple of simple ways you can get testimonial. For example, when sharing content, a content piece, ask your readers to comment, review your content. When sharing a lead magnet, you can email them after and ask them for a testimonial. When sharing video training, at the end you can ask for viewers for a quick testimonial. When ask them if they can upload the testimonial on YouTube if possible, so that you can simply get the code and paste it on your website page. Okay. Number 13 is promoting genuine high value product. There's so many products out there to promote. Let's be honest, there are some are great, some may not be so great, or even below average. It's very important that you should only promote high value products, because when you recommend something of high value to your audience, they purchase and they experience the value and achieve a positive outcome as a result. Then there's no doubt that their trust in you will build up, okay, and increase more. I understand that there may be products available that are not of high value but have a great compensation plan and commissions. In these cases, it may be tempting and enticing to promote these kind of products, but just because of the better commissions. But before you do, always think and remember who you're serving, who's going to pay you, the traits of good character. Are you really helping people and caring for your audience? When you think about these four, you realize that these kind of products, they're not worth it. They don't align with your beliefs, your good character, and equally important, will provide little or no value to your audience. So it's better to avoid them. Okay, yes, you may miss out on making some heavy commissions, but at the cost of damaging your great virtues, providing disservice to your audience. Don't worry about money first. Focus on providing greatest value, being helpful and of great service to your audience. Okay, if you can operate in this way and obsess about giving, helping, in a good way, and the money should come to your, to the extent of the value and goodness that you provide to the marketplace. To sum it up, recommend great quality, high quality products. When you do, your audience will appreciate you, thank you, and even in their mind, if not physically. Okay, that's about it for now. As you can see, there are certain things that you can do right way to start building and growing trust in your trust from your prospects and customers, and all these multiple experiences and value that you provide for your audience could ultimately lead them to trust you and buy from you again and again. If you get all, or as many of these trust building actions done, then you should be on your way to creating opportunities for your audience to know you, like you, and trust you. And we all know when your audience knows you, likes you, and trusts you, then sales and commissions and dollar signs are something that you may get used to a lot. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you like this video, part 2. If you haven't checked out part 1, please do check out part 1. I'll put the description in the description below of part 1 and part 2, which you can check out, of how to build trust quickly in your affiliate marketing business. And that's it for now. If you please like this video, subscribe, like, and comment. And if you like some free resource on building your affiliate marketing income business, please visit affiliateship.com/free. Okay, that's it. Thanks, and bye bye.